Hello, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and I'm going to show you around our Floret Silver Audi S5 Sportback BN18RSX. As I say, a Floret Silver car to which we have added gloss black styling pack. So that's a new radiator grille and the body trim's wrapped in black. Looks factory, but weirdly Audi never offered it from the factory on this model. So looks like it's always been there, but is in fact brand new. I'm going to show you around the car, one panel, one interior area at a time. I will highlight imperfections as I go around the car. I'll also show you a few of the optional extras as we see them. I'm not going to try and show you absolutely everything because that would make for a very long and waffly video, but if you would like a detailed look at specification, or for that matter service history, you'll find those in the main body text of the advert. So going in nice and close on the bonnet now presents really nicely, fit and finish absolutely spot on, no notable scuffs or scratches, dents, anything like that, but there are some small chips that have been neatly touched in. Headlights, nice and bright and clear. Paint on the front bumper, just like on the bonnet actually, it looks great, fit and finish as they should be, but if you go in real close, you've got small chips. Similar on the near side, presents really well. And moving to the near side. Just move my phone around so you can watch reflections. Alignment and paint look great, no dents to mention on that side of the car. Near side front wheel there, let's call that a 9 out of 10. These haven't been refurbished, they are just how the gentleman kept them. I think he was proud of the car and took great care of it. As I say, it's easily a 9 out of 10 condition, but if you go in really close you'll see there's a couple of tiny little marks. Red brake calipers on this car, fairly recent brake discs. This tyre is already earmarked for replacement as it is getting low. Near side door mirror, no damage. Near side front door, no damage. And all looks good along the sill. Door panel. Black leather on this car with rock grey stitching, carbon atlas interior inlays that look great and we find also very hard wearing. Super Sport seats are standard in S5, which are fully electric and have a massage function. Near side rear door there, spot on to my eye, as I'm standing in a good place for it. I'll give you a view up and over the roof as well. No dents, scrapes, anything like that, marks up there that I can see. Near side rear door panel, nice on the armrest and grab handle, as it is on the seat back with only the very, very smallest of marks. The rear seat too in very good order. Onto the quarter panel. This is getting repetitive now. It's in really nice condition. I can't see anything to show you. Near side rear wheel there. Again, I'm going to go with a 9 out of 10 in that the marks on it are tiny. Michelin Pilot Sport 3 tyre with probably 4 to 5 millimeters of tread on that corner. Round to the bumper and tailgate. tailgate also in nice condition. Lip spoiler wrapped gloss black again. No scratching or damage around the boot handle. See the reversing camera peeping out just there. Got a boot liner that stays in the car, which has done a nice job protecting the carpets. So if you do go around the inside of the load area, carpets and trims are in very good order anyway. No notable marks from loading there. Bumper and valance look good. Some of the cleanest B9 S5 tailpipes I've seen in a very long time. Almost no pitting at all. How someone has kept them that clean, I do not know. Maybe they've been replaced. They look almost new. It's the electric tailgate. And moving to the offside of the car. Again, I'm down low. I'll move phone around so you can watch the reflections and see the alignment. They're spot on. The paint looks nice. Everything lines up as it should. And again, I can't see any dents to mention to you. Paint of the quarter panel looks really nice. Lovely and clean inside the fuel door. Normal 95 RON unleaded for these. No requirement to use super. Offside rear wheel. I'm looking for a mark on that one, but I'm not seeing any. It's definitely a 9, it might be a 10. Michelin Pilot Sport 3 with about 5mm on that corner. So we do have the fronts earmarked for replacement already, as they are getting low on tread. They'll either be a match or an equivalent of what's on the car. Offside rear door looks spot on. You see privacy glass on this car. Offside rear door panel. Clean on the armrest. And the seat back. 3-zone climate control. So hopefully no arguments from rear seat passengers over who's toasty and who's chilly. Leather of the rear seats spot on, headrests present and correct. Driver's door. We've got, sorry, I thought that was a little scratch. It's not, it was just a dot of polish. Oh yeah, one little chip there just above the handle. One just there. No damage on the door mirror. Door panel. Controls there for folding door mirrors and electric tailgate. Bottom steering wheel fitted to this car. Leather of which looks lovely. Not worn, not scuffed, not shiny. Still lovely and soft and satin in its appearance. Gear selector and armrest are just as nice. And I'll go slow on the driver's seat so you can see. There's some very, very light wear on the driver's seat, but for a car of this age and mileage, actually, it looks excellent, and you'd be hard-pressed to complain about that. Shows itself very well indeed. Offside front wheel there. And just a couple of the tiniest little marks on. It's a 9. Oh, and we've got, so you've got a chip just there, probably, what's that, 6-8mm maybe. We'll just neatly touch that in for you. Let's go to the engine bay. Clean, tidy and standard, really nicely maintained car. Actually purchased directly from a gentleman who works in the industry, knows the cars and knows his maintenance well, and if you would like to see service history in detail, you'll find an itemised breakdown in the main body text of the advert. jump in, fire it up. Not cold, not fully warm either, but as I have just been doing the car photos, but straight into a smooth idle, no warning lights on, virtual cockpit on this car, everything working as it should do. We have European-wide navigation, DAB, all of your other music sources, Wi-Fi hotspot, obviously Bluetooth. Well, how much you're going to be using that I don't know, because you have a smartphone interface giving you both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Parking sensors front and rear with reversing camera as well. 3-zone climate control with heated seats. The ventilation in the car and the interior in general smell fresh. There is no indication we've had pets or a smoker in this car. It is a fresh smelling interior. Cool little feature I and a lot of people like, I forgot to show you, extended LED ambient lighting pack, so you can have your interior lights with 2 different zones, any colour you want within reason. So those on. So we're going to have glowing purple feet, and we'll have it, let's go red up high, shall we? There we go. However you like it. And there we go. I hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If that has brought any questions to mind, if you would like a part exchange price, if you'd like a finance quote, or if there's simply something that I've missed, give us a call, give us a text, give us an email, visit www.fontaine.co.uk. Thanks very much indeed.